How to push Visual Studio project to GitHub. This is a sample console application created in Visual Studio, and I intend to push it to GitHub. I am logging into my GitHub account as shown here. Now let's look how to do this. First click on Git. Then click on Create Git Repository. In another way, click on Git Changes. Then create Git Repository. It will provide you one window. Just leave Git ignore template as it is. Also leave license template as it is. Click checkbox, add a readme.md. Change account drop-down to select your GitHub account as shown here. It will redirect you to GitHub login page. Just provide your login credential as shown here. Then click on Sign In button. Authorization is successful. So, go to Visual Studio again. You can see username here. Next, simply provide a description of the project. Then if you checked in private repository, then it will be private. If you uncheck, then it will be public repository. You can do as it is. Then click on Create and Push button. Then click on arrow up icon to push the code to GitHub. Now, navigate to GitHub, refresh the page, and you will see the project you have just pushed. You will find the same content as it is in Visual Studio. In this way we successfully pushed Visual Studio project to GitHub. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.